Okay.
Oh, dia dah terpasang.
Okay. Kenapa dia macam kenapa? Badan kau panjang sangat ke?
Tak tahu.
Kau macam bongkok.
Tak bongkok, biar je. Jom.
Okay.
Boleh ikut dah tu.
Tahu.
Banyak
Ah,
space.
cantiknya kakak. Okay. Kenapa? Hello. Okay. Cakap apa?
Tahu, dah dapat ni.
Okay dah. Okay.
I did not run, but I run.
Okay. Today I received my parcel, my very first parcel from Zhongren, because let me tell you that this participation, this is my very first half marathon ever. But yeah, we'll see. Maybe I'm going to, like right now, I'm going to unbox it, even though it's not in the box, but just let's just call it unboxing. So yeah, I'm gonna tear it. Okay, let me show you how cute the parcel is. Oh yeah, don't mention here. Here we got this is my brother. He also participated in that event, but he doesn't complete his yet. I mean, he will, but we'll see. So I got mine because I submitted the run earlier. So yeah, look how cute it is. It's like it shows this rabbit has. Yeah, oh, with a TV. Okay, look this rabbit. Is it a rabbit? Okay, cute. Also, like a winky rabbit. Yeah, it's from Zhongnan. Let me show you. Oh. Okay. So let's get into it. I'm just gonna. Oh, okay, it looks what he got.
Ada bank.
Okay, it's a bag. Garfield bag. Garfield. Yoo-hoo. Okay. Uh-oh.
Bank lagi. Mas.
Garfield mask. Woo, cute. Okay. Stickers. Fully Garfield. The last one, not the last one. Okay. We got 2 t-shirts. One t-shirt is like a finisher t-shirt, I guess. This the one, and this one the one that we selected, the half marathon t-shirt, and this one is a finisher t-shirt like practice. Oh yeah, this one is the participant shirt. What does it say? Never trust a smiling cat. Okay, it smile. Finish your t-shirt. Okay, it's black. Woohoo! It's pretty. 21 kilometer finisher. Bila nak finish?
4 kilometer lagi.
Okay. Here comes medal, the medal. Oh yeah, I got my name on it. Honeys. Woohoo! Wait, okay. Okay, it's Garfield. Okay. Finisher. Pretty. Nah,
Kakak lah pakai. Tak habis lagi.
Pakai je lah. Bila nak habis tak tahulah. Tak bila nak dapat dah lah nak apa. Nak apa tu. Nak masuk campus lah. Okay.
Boleh lah buat.
Action. Bye-bye. Oh, thank you for watching. Siapa dia tengok pun.